So we decided to work with a Slovenian company called Thomas that makes a small Muppet engine, and the idea was that we would agree together into what we call an engine block, which is the actual engine, battery, the gas tank and exhaust systems, and a gearbox so that it's easy to put or plug into different machines. And then the idea that would be that was that everyone would make anything but a Muppet with these engine blocks. But quite rapidly in the process, the partner we had in Slovenia actually went bankrupt, so we couldn't actually have any other engine. So we grouped again and decided to change the project a bit, or at least the way to show it and talk about the idea. And we decided to show a more prospective scenario of an individual answer to post-industrial society, where this character that we created for the movie is using this engine block for all his machine because of individual need of being able to maintain it properly or easily, and being able to completely understand all the technology he's using, as he has to be sort of alone in the wood and being able to completely embrace all the technology that he needs. So we then teamed up with a filmmaker and we decided to show the whole project with a bit of very museal or archaeological type of scenography, and so now the movie, I think the main idea of this movie and of the whole project is that DIY or makers or hacking will always be there, and even in a very dramatic scenario where industry wouldn't be able to fulfill what they've been doing for the last 50 years. And even if it ends in a situation where the industry production is really complex and seems to be very far away from maker or hands-on DIY, we actually sense that it's always going to be there and it's always going to survive, and it's always things that we can embrace as human, because it's like technology that has been done somehow by us, even if it's big machines, and that even with all post-industrial, not waste, but like product, man will always find, we stand that man will always find ways to reuse it, open it, change it, hack it, or make it fit their needs and the time. So that's the idea.